Speedco, great place to get your oil changed in an RV. Just like a oversized Jiffy Lube. We are in Iowa at Speedco, owned by Levs, where we are getting our oil change. I think we already told you that. But here is a clip of the bays. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bays for your convenience. Next door is the Iowa 80 Trucking Museum. Free visit. Over 100 trucks on display dating back to 1910. Should we get you a cow? You have a cow. Carry your cow around. Let's check it out.
And you get a pen.
To eat bugs. If we eat a bug, we get a pen.
They have flavored ones.
No. Cricket
Orange
snacks.
creamsicle. This one tastes like lasagna.
Do you want a cricket snack?
What about turkey?
I'll pass. Check out this. Aurora. It's like,
That's the company that makes it, but her name's Aurora.
this is like a little mini mall. Any restaurant. Several to choose from.
It's a candle.
Are you unexcited now? Disappointed, Peyton?
Yeah, I wanted to buy it.
What kind of cheese curds do we have?
Bunch of kind. Ranch cheddar, tomato basil, sriracha, bone thickness, mustard, and whiskey.
Okay, I think they have just about anything you want. They even have a restaurant, John Buffet, delicious. We should take Storm to the self-serve dog mat bath wash. So if you are interested in a pet wash, you can use credit card or change or dollar bills. Yep. And how much was that? $5. So, and we're not thinking Storm's liking this too much, is she? But she'll smell better.
Oh, it's warm, baby. It's warm, baby.
Can I see your face?
Careful around her eyes.
What?
Careful around her eyes.
I'm not that good.
Is this better than washing her outside the RV? Yes. Better than washing her in the bathtub?
Yeah.
Huh?
I forgot that was the thing. Should we do conditioner?
So you just set the dial to where you want it. And we're going to try conditioner.
You put in conditioner?
Yes, it's on conditioner. So we have 4 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. And there was also a tub disinfectant that you can disinfect the tub with before you wash the dog, which is very helpful. Shampoo we didn't use because we used special shampoo for her. Rinse, we are going to put the conditioner on her. And we can vacuum and blow dry her as well. Look at her. She's being such a good girl. Storm, what a good girl. Is that the conditioner?
Rinse, please.
How you doing, little girl? Is mommy washing washing her. Oh, what a good girl. I know.
One part. Slow dryer.
Oh, let's see how she does this. Now, Storm doesn't like loud noises, so this should be interesting. It's not doing too bad. Good girl. Look at you. What a good girl.
An old Storm is back from her doggy bath in a fancy dancy doggy wash.
So we get our oil change to go to the largest truck stop and wash the dog all in one place. So we are in line at a Speedco. This is our first time here for a oil and lube change, and hopefully we can share a little bit of that with you. We just drove here and got into line, so you're supposed to wait, and when a bay comes available you drive to the bay and then they guide you in. So we'll see how that works. Anything you want to say?
I'm so excited! My first oil change! Oh my goodness!
But at
I
least
don't have to get my hands dirty. There's about 4,000 gallons of oil in this thing. So, yeah. How much could that possibly cost?
oh, I'll let
I'll
you
give
know.
you the exact number. I'm sure when the bill comes, they'll let us know how much oil is in this baby. And I don't know if or whenever it was ever changed. So, if we can get some filters, I'm sure we'll get an oil filter. And lots of filters on this bus too. Oh my goodness. Maybe can they check the hydraulics? Check the fluids. That's what we need.
Oh,
Or tell me which fluid to check. Point. Well, we had to pull around the building, take off the car, and then bring it in the front door because all the workings is up front here, and our engine is in the back. So no problem though. Our technician's working on 2 different coaches. Well, one's a semi. So they're doing that one and ours at the same time. March 26, 2020. Last oil change. So this is a picture of the pit. Everything's done down in here. And this is where all the oil goes. And then it goes out this hose and into recovery. So, a little easier for them than for me. Got the oil filter, huh? It's the what?
I don't have that fuel filter in hand. There is one at my Davenport store on the road, but I'd have to go get it.
You need a fuel filter. How long is it going to take to get it?
Half an hour, it's like 10, 15 minutes away.
Maybe these lovely ladies could go pick it up. Yeah. Do what? No, the store is 15 minutes away. We gotta go get it. Thank you. Yep.
Drop.
29 quarts of synthetic oil. That ought to get me going for a couple months. Yeah. Ooh, looks kind of yellow. Brand new fuel filter. A little dirty. Looks like we need a little more oil. I put it in, measured it, it was full as the last reading, then started it up, let it run for about 2 minutes, and seat the oil, and then I'll refill it. There you go. Nice and full.
What's that one reading at?
It says 85.
We hit the button that says inflation override.
Okay.
Okay, we're going. I can feel it coming through the line. It takes a minute. It'll blink at me when it's done.
Blinky blink. There we go.
Bye, boss. All good.
Appreciate it.
We hope this video was informative about Speedco. This was our first time here, and while Fred was getting her done, Peyton and I were off having fun, washing the dog, looking at the largest truck stop in the United States at Iowa 80. I'm going to turn it over to him and see what happened at Speedco.
Who knew? We were at the largest truck stop in the world. My goodness. Our truck, normal size. Okay, it's not a truck. So what I got here is the bill. Because I know you're all waiting with bated breath. $516. They changed the oil. They lubed the chassis. I wish I would have known that they would have also done the transmission, because I would have done that too. And we did a sample of the oil, and we did a sample of the coolant, and we sent those off for analysis through, what was it? JC Lubricant Services. Gotta write that down.
I believe that was JG.
JG. Oh, it is. So anyway, I'll put a link below so there's no confusion. And you order a kit from them to take samples, and then you mail them off, and then they give you results. You should do it probably about once a year if you got a big diesel pusher, you know, but always good to know what's going on inside of all that stuff. We got our results back
They're pretty quick.
about a week later.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Yeah, they emailed us, and you do it all online. Well, obviously you got to mail them the samples, but they send you little mail packs and all that stuff. So the coolant was fine, nothing to worry about there.
True.
There was a little copper and a little iron in the oil. Just something to keep an eye on, according to them. The problem was we don't know what kind of oil was in there. We don't know how old it was. You know, we don't know anything. We know now. And I put the synthetic in, paid the price, 7 gallons, and that's about $300 worth of that bill. But hey, and I know we're not going to go 8 years on synthetic, but we are going to do it every year and change it out, and that'll keep this baby just floating down the road. So if you've got any opinions about Speedco, I know some people don't really like them, but they were certainly convenient.
Or any other suggestions to where we can get this stuff done?
Maybe Jiffy Lube, I don't know. So I don't think it will fit, but you know, I did try Jiffy Lube in my old RV once. They just laughed. But anyway, so hey.
So comment below.
Yeah,
Let us know.
Let us know what your experiences were, good, bad, indifferent. Be sure to subscribe. You
Hit that
wanna
like button.
Like us. Oh yeah,
We'd appreciate
it. Look at this. We're likable. And maybe the notification ding ding bell. You know, the one that goes ding ding. And so you won't miss any of these exciting episodes. And we got great stuff coming up. Yeah, we got the crows coming.
We do have the
We got
crows.
the
So
crows
stay
coming.
tuned.
Yeah, we did see the crows. Oh
So
my goodness.
we're gonna go for now.
Are we? Oh,
are.
okay. We gotta go.
All right. We'll see you next time. Same channel.
Same bat time, same bat channel.
Thursday at
7 Eastern time.
Eastern time.
So see you later.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us.